I want to show you all two things today. First, how easy it is to build natively multi-user apps with Fluid Framework. And second, how you can embed and share your live web experiences everywhere with the help of Fluid. We architected Fluid for super low latency distributed systems, and yet I have never made more impressive web apps more quickly. We created a set of distributed data structures with the merge logic implemented in the client.js that handle the difficulty of distributed data merge for you. Today we're going to upgrade a simple web app with Fluid distributed data structures and Fluid components. There's no server code needed, and we're going to do it all in the next 2 minutes. Let me show you. Now, for a hackathon we recently ran, I wanted to build a simple hack tracker to manage all of our incoming projects. The hack tracker has a list of our products to the left and a message board to take notes in the middle. I built this very simple application with React, but of course you could use any front-end framework. While our app lets me take notes locally, it's not wired to anything yet. I also can't share my notes or interact with coworkers during the hack week. It's easy to add all of this functionality with Fluid Framework. Fluid distributes server-side data and logic to the browser and gives me access to distributed app state locally. Again, there's no server needed. These two attributes, combined with our component model, will make upgrading our hack tracker much, much easier. It's just waiting to be wired up. By replacing this JavaScript map with a Fluid shared map, I can quickly bring the application to life. I also have to listen to events on our shared map so that I can update our project list with changes from other users. Now we can reorder and add new projects collaboratively. Let's look at our message board. A tremendous amount of work has gone into making excellent open source rich text editors. So let's take Draft.js, a great text editor, and make it collaborative. This typically requires a purpose-built service integration, but we can just use Fluid Framework as the collaborative data layer. I'll have to write 2 code snippets here, about 100 lines of code total. One to take changes from other users and replicate it into Draft.js's editor context, and another to take our editor's context and replicate it into Fluid. This is similar to the project list. We need to change the distributed data structure state locally and then listen for changes from other users. I also included some model adapter code. Now we have live notes during our hackathon week, built using Fluid and excellent open source tooling. While we'll stop here, I could take the time to polish this adapter up and publish it to NPM. Because the server code lives in the client with Fluid, any developer could install our Fluid Framework Draft.js component and deploy it, batteries included.